Uh, Hello, I am Dr. K.C. Pant, Senior Pediatrician in Apollo Clinic, Raipur. Today I will tell you about the uh, COVID vaccination for adolescents. The government has started recently vaccination program for adolescent kids from 15 year to 18 year onwards, and this drive has started. Many children have been given Covaxin, corona vaccine for these children, and the vaccination is available by booking, or you can go directly in those centers. You can find out those centers on CoWIN app of government. So once you get this vaccination, many people they fear that there will be fever or any difficulty, but the point is any vaccination may give mild pain at the local site. Usually it is given in the deltoid region. You may ask to give on left side, and usually it is given left side to the right-handed person, so that if there is a little inflammation or swelling or pain, it will not disturb your working with the right hand. Now once the vaccination is given, most of the children, most of the patients, they don't have any pain or fever, but if it is there, it is natural, it is normal, so don't get panicky. So you can take paracetamol 650 milligram on the day of vaccination after food, mostly after food, so that you will not have any myalgia, muscle pain, or even if it is a low grade fever, it will be taken care. So beside that, there is no other harm at all. So be careful, don't worry about these issues. So get vaccination, go and happily take vaccination. It will protect you from the infection. Now you see the third wave is almost in many cases has come, and cases are increasing. So what is necessary is that you should continue all those precautions, like do not mix up with huge crowd, keep distance from the people, particularly you must know those who are having respiratory tract infection, cough, cold, mild fever. So they may sneeze and cough and spread. So you should wear mask always, and everybody should wear mask. Keep your hands clean wherever you touch surfaces, and do not touch your nose or eyes, and in case you have any symptom, you must consult doctor and get investigated. The treatment, the disease is always in well control. So I hope if any question you have, you can contact me for online consultation on my mobile number 798-788-4844. I repeat it, 798-788-4844. Online consultation for any disease also can be done on video calling. This is my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp on video can be done with prior appointment. You have to pay fee by UPI or digitally. That can be discussed. So I hope in case you have any doubt about vaccination, beside that other vaccination, whether it is flu vaccination or HPV vaccination, pneumonia vaccination in adolescent boys and girls, etc. So kindly ask me. Thank you very much, and hopefully you get vaccination and get protected. Thank you.